Hey everybody, so this video got a package to open from Peterson. As a working locksmith or whatever, I don't actually pick a ton of locks. Working, you do house lockouts, but a lot of times you bypass stuff or rake open things. You don't actually have to ever pick too much. So I only order new picks about once a year. Replace bent up stuff. So that's what this package will be here. And also got some picks for my lock sports stuff. I pick a lot more locks for fun than I do working. And it's not even close to the number. Let's show what we got from Peterson here. Oh, I've got to order this here. I got a new bump hammer. So I can retire my semi-famous bump driver. I guess now it's just going to be a screwdriver again. Can't wait to try that guy out. This is the same one I have for working. The occasional times I bump locks. And so I didn't have any rakes for my lock sport collection, so I did get the 18 thousandths and the 25 thousandths bogeys. And these will be for my lock sport stuff. And then I got some new hooks here for my work kit. And some new hooks here for my lock sports stuff. Just backups or whatever. And that's really all I needed. I said I just order picks pretty much about once a year, maybe every year and a half or so. And usually order a few spares. And then if I bend some up working, I'll take one of my lock sport ones and throw it in my work kit if I have to. So anyway, just wanted to share that with everybody. I guess I got nothing else. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Oh, also I have a contest going for subscribing. I'll put a link up to a video that explains the contest here if you want to win some couple of crappy locks and also some pretty cool locks. So anyway, until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.